Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own music to TikTok. Okay, first of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone and let's just create a post on TikTok. We can tap on this plus button to create a post. And for example, I'm going to upload a video from my device. I'm going to add video. I'm going to upload this video as my TikTok post. And if we want to add our own music, we can select this option. We can tap on this expand to delete the music suggestion from TikTok and click on add sound. Okay, and we can tap on this icon. And since we want to add our own music, we can tap on your sounds right here. And here you can select import sound from video, or you can import local sound. And I'm just going to select this option. Then this are the music from my device. And I'm going to select this one. We can tap on this sound or this music like this and click on import sound. Okay, and after that we just need to click on the sound like this and click on this check mark button. Okay, then we just need to go back. Okay, and now as you can see that my music has been added to my video, and we can click on next to post this video to our TikTok and click on post. Alright guys, and that's how we can add our own music to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.